Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want to show you guys this versatile haircut that can be styled in many ways. And one thing with the styles today is that they are gorgeous haircut. Like if you're really looking for that haircut to switch things up with your natural hair, just consider trying this cute short haircuts for beautiful black women. This kind of cuts will always provide that gorgeous playful look you want, even if you have your grays or you have salt and peppered, or even want to do some color highlights. It can always help to camouflage or cover any dullness in your hair. So I just love this cut. So if you're looking for ways to showcase your natural curls and update your short hair game, just consider this textured styling for a fun look. And you can see how the styles will always highlight your hair texture. I want you guys to know that this haircut is low maintenance style, and one thing about this beautiful haircuts I've highlighted for you guys today is that it's perfect for the beautiful women that are busy, those women that are on the go, like the boss lady. It's a simple wash and go process that always preserves your hair natural health and beauty. This hair is so gorgeous. It's a beautiful size that can give you that inspirational ideas on the best way to wear your naturally curly hair. And one thing with the style is that if you're unsure on how to tackle the style, you can just find some local curly hair specialists or any stylist or barber around your area. They can take your main on the right styling option, so you can also book online for the particular barber which you like that can help you to achieve this beautiful style. So I would like you guys to just rock this beautiful trending yet practical haircut that will always highlight and enhance your natural curls. Because one thing with the style is that it involves cutting your hair dry while in its natural state, because it will always emphasize your facial features, your hair shape and your texture. So this style is always perfect for those who really want to embrace their natural hair while always keeping their hair stylish. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.